Who said you can't make Ofe Owerri without pumpkin leaves? I got you. I got you covered. Let's learn together how to make Ofe Owerri with just spinach leaves. Alright? Correct Ofe Owerri with just spinach leaves. Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. Let's start by boiling our cocoyam. Go ahead and add enough water. Then you have to cover and allow to cook to tender. So the role of cocoyam in this soup is to thicken our soup and also give us that consistency that we are looking for. In an empty pot, we are going to start boiling our meat. I used shaki, I used deboned cow meat, and I used beef as well. If you're new here, you are highly welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much and I appreciate you all. So go ahead and throw in all your proteins inside your pot and add all your spices and all your ingredients to cook your meat. Today's hugs goes to my beautiful sister-in-law, Auntie Nkiru Agogwa, who is watching from Nigeria. Thank you so much, Auntie, for always watching and sharing, and also, very, very supportive as well. I really, really appreciate you. I do. Thank you so much, Auntie. Please leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from so that I can send you a hug. Thank you. Now you want to cover and allow this to cook with its juice. As you can see, this has been cooking for a while and the meat has also released its juice. And I'm going to be adding water. You want to allow the meat to cook like 80 to 90%. Here our cocoyam is done and we have to go ahead to pound this. Most times water helps when you're pounding your cocoyam or fufu. Whatever it is that you're pounding, water really helps. Alright, back in the pot, as you can see that the meat has cooked almost 90 to 95%. So I'm going to go ahead to take them out. Now, back in the pot, we are going to add more water. I added stockfish, and this is dry fish, round fish, and also mangala. And now we are adding the cocoyam. Now we are adding our palm oil. Cover the pot and allow it to cook. Back in the pot, I just threw in some prawns, crayfish, ogiri, and then I'm just adding no and Maggi star. One Maggi star and then one no cube. I'm just adding back the meat. And after this, I'm going to go ahead and give this a stir. Cover the pot and allow it to come to a boil. Now back in the pot, we are adding washed okazi. When you're making Ofe Owerri, you need your okazi. Now we're going to taste for salt, taste for everything, and then I added a pinch of salt. Adding back the dry fish as well. I took them out as I don't want them to pieces. Cover the pot and allow to cook. Now we're going to prepare and cut our vegetable. Now if you have pumpkin leaves, it's absolutely fine, but if you don't have it, this is good as well. Like you can use your spinach and make your ofe owerri, and it will come out as delicious as ever. So I'm just cutting spinach, and it has been washed properly. So my lovelies, please remember to leave your comment in the comment section and also share this video. Share as much as possible, okay? Please share in all your social media platforms. All right, I really appreciate it. Thank you. When jige go nerio forele, when jige go nerio fore. All right, my soup is souping. Wow. At this point, like, the aroma in my kitchen is, oh my god, it's just amazing. It's fantastic. Oh gosh, it's just everywhere. Indeed, it's just out of this world, right? Now we are adding the crayfish, and this is the time to add our spinach. And then the spinach now, and whenever you're adding spinach, you know that the food is just done. As for me, I don't like to keep my veggies for long, as you don't want to lose all the nutrients that they give. Right? Go ahead and add more vegetable if needed. However, we have one more thing to add, which is the fresh pepper. All right, I'm adding my Scotch bonnet, habanero pepper, anyone you have is just fine, and that is it. And I'm going to give this a stir. Like, this is the final stir. Let me know what you think. Like, this is the one of the yummiest food, like yummiest soup you can ever have. Like, this is good. This is really good. Listen, don't mind what the song said, okay? Like, you do not need to have much money in order to make this soup. Like, just few ingredients and this soup is done. That's one of the reasons why I love this soup. It's rich and you can actually make it with just few ingredients, okay? I so much appreciate each and every one of you for liking, for commenting, and also for sharing. Please keep on sharing. I want you to know that I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, share, and also leave your likes. Especially share my videos. Share to everyone you like. Share to your friends and family. Thank you all so much, and invite your friends. I will really appreciate it. Thank you so much once again. Until I see you in my next one. Bye-bye. God bless you.